For starts, if you're not into noisy clicky keyboard then this is not for you. Get the Huntsman Tournament Edition that has a linear keys not noisy. Great quality, perfect for gaming and ergonomics. A little expensive but you will be paying for a high quality long lasting product, so keep that in mind. Chroma looks amazing although a little dim. If you are looking for a bright color chroma effect then this is not your better option. For me it is, since I don't like things too bright. Overall I really love this keyboard. This is my first time using a wrist rest and I will never be able to use a keyboard without one again. It is so soft, the keyboard is sleek and luxurious, and the sounds different from any other keyboard. More like a typewriter. The lighting is a little dull but I replaced the keycaps and now it looks epic. The short, it's a TM. A good sturdy keyboard with amazing purple switches and uncountable different customization options regarding the software and RGB. The good, it's a TM. A very good and premium keyboard. One of Razer their best products as of today. Combined with the Razer Synapse software, the keyboard is amazing. The quality of the keyboard is good with the hand rest being made from premium materials. It's amazing for gaming and is definitely the best of the best of bad. It's a TM. Quite noisy, which is because it's a TM. A mechanical keyboard. It's a TM. Quite pricey but Amazon has a good deal on it. The keys are so fast that wiggling the keycap will register a press. The detachable cable and TKL layout make it easy for me to use it on the go, since I don't like laptop keyboards and other desktop keyboards might not be mechanical, so I like bringing my own. The PBT keycaps are great since my hands sweat while gaming, but I don't like how the RGB doesn't shine through the black compared to the abs on my Black Widow Elite, so I added some mercury white ones in there and it looks better now in my opinion.